Hey guys, let's try this again. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Rhonda. I'm one of the admins of this group, and I tried to go live a little while ago, but I guess I didn't have good enough connection when I got out of the dentist office, so we're going to try this again. Sorry if it's a little bit noisy, but I'm sitting out on my front porch because it's a lovely day and I thought I'd come outside. So hey Stuart, thanks for watching. So if you're watching, please say hi if you're watching live. If you're catching me on the replay, put hashtag replay, and I hope you get some value out of this video. So what I wanted to talk to you about today was a little analogy I had. So I had to go to the dentist today. I hate the dentist. Personally hate going to the dentist. I don't know if you're like me or not, but it's one of those things that is just not enjoyable for me. But I go, right? Because the benefits are worth it. You go to the dentist. Hey, thanks, Stuart. Appreciate it. So go to the dentist because you want to have healthy teeth. As we age, we want to have our teeth, right? There's benefits to going and doing something that I personally don't like to do. So it's the same way in your business, right? There's things that I don't like to do in my business. I'm sure there's things that you don't like to do. It can be anything. It can be maybe taking selfies, maybe doing live videos like this. Maybe you don't like to make graphics. Maybe you don't like copywriting, right? There's always something that we don't like to do, so we put it off. So, but think of that analogy with the dentist. If you do those things, there's going to be long-term benefits, right? Just like you're going to have your teeth. For your business, if you do those things that you don't like to do, there is going to be long-term benefits for your business. So let's say you don't like taking selfies. So take selfies, use some filters if you have to, or, go in and use some apps maybe to make it look better if you're self-conscious about something, right? So there's some apps that I recommend. If you need help with apps, let me know. I'll send you some of my favorites that I use for editing my selfies. So that's one thing. Maybe you don't like making graphics. You just hate it. You don't like the way they turn out. You don't think they look professional enough, so you don't do it, right? And you go and you use those same graphics that have been used by everybody else online. Well, what's that going to do? People are scrolling through. They've seen that a million times by other people. They're just going to scroll by your posts. They're not going to read your posts. They're not really going to hear what you have to say, right? You want people to, even if you're using the same quote that's put out there, if you make your own personalized custom graphic for it, along with whatever you want to say, it's going to catch their attention. You're going to stand out from the crowd, right? That's the whole point. You want to stand out so people get to know, like, and trust you, build that rapport, build relationships with people so that maybe they possibly want to work with you. So say for graphics, you can go to Canva, you can go to PicMonkey. Those are a couple things you can use for free. Use their templates. I do recommend if you use their templates, change them up a little bit. So they're not going to be the same exact template that everybody else is going to use from Canva, right? Because everybody uses that. I personally bought some templates. They were cheap. I think I got over 100 templates for like $29.99, and they're totally customizable. So I go into those templates, I edit them, I use my brand colors. Hey Cindy, thanks for joining. I use my fonts that I picked out for my business, right? So now my graphics look different than everybody else's, even though somebody might be using the same things, right? Might be using the same quote. It doesn't matter. Make yourself stand out. If you want some customized templates, let me know. I love the ones I use. I've been using them for a couple of years now. You've all seen them, even though you probably didn't even realize that I used a template to do that. They're great because it gives me ideas when I go in there. If I'm stuck, right? We all get stuck. I'll just go in there and I'll look at the template and I'm like, oh, I can do that with this template, right? There's different ideas in these templates, which is what I like. It sparks my imagination because sometimes we just have those little blocks. Even though we have millions of things that we want to say or talk about, when it comes down to making it, we all run into those roadblocks. So you can do stuff like that with templates. Copywriting. Maybe you're not good at copywriting, right? There's little things you can do to remember. There's always Fiverr. You know, there's people who do copywriting online also. There's people that do graphics for you, you know, online. Fiverr is a very inexpensive alternative if you need certain things done. You know, you can always go on there. I've used Fiverr for a few things, and I've been very happy with the things that I've gotten done through Fiverr. So anyways, that was my whole point of making this video, is that even though there's something you don't like to do, there's alternatives and easy, simple ways for you to get those things done that maybe you're just not thinking of. You know, whether it be paying someone to do it for you, whether it be paying someone to edit your videos, whether it's getting templates, you know, whether it's buying a planner and just writing things down so that you have a game plan. There's always things that none of us like to do, but make yourself do them, because in the long run, it's going to be a big benefit for your business. So if there's anything you don't like to do and you're stuck, maybe it's something I didn't touch on, comment down below, send me a DM if you're shy, you don't want to talk about it in the group. You know, I'm happy to, you know, put you in a direction or give you a couple alternatives if you don't know of these on your own. Hey, Darlene, thanks for jumping on. So there's always alternatives. If you need alternatives, reach out to me. I'm happy to give you some recommendations or maybe some ideas that you haven't thought of before. So hope this helps. Hope everybody's having a great week, and we'll see you soon.